In this video, I'll show you 5 of the best video AI tools that online creators are using right now to design, edit, and scale their content in 2025. Let's get started. We'll begin with HeyGen, a powerful AI video generator that creates professional quality videos using virtual presenters and text-to-speech, all without ever stepping in front of a camera.
Welcome to the world of HeyGen. 欢迎来到 HeyGen. Bienvenido al mundo de HeyGen. Come by HeyGen.
First, pick your AI avatar. There are over 250 to choose from. You can go formal, casual, male, female, whatever fits your message. If you want, you can even create a custom avatar later. Next, just type or paste your script right here. You can choose from hundreds of voices and over 170 languages and dialects. HeyGen instantly turns your text into natural-sounding speech. No microphone or camera needed. Let me give you a quick sample.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen.
Now you can customize your video, add a background, upload your logo, change colors, or insert text and graphics. The drag and drop editor makes it super simple to get a polished look. Finally, hit generate. In just a few minutes, you get a fully edited video with your avatar delivering your message.
Hi, I'm your virtual presenter. Ready to help you explain anything?
It's perfect for explainer videos, tutorials, product demos, or any faceless content. Try it for free and see how fast you can create your first avatar video without stepping on camera. Next is Pictory, the ultimate tool for automating video creation. Simply upload your script or blog post, and Pictory will automatically turn it into a fully edited video with stock footage, text overlays, and voiceovers. It's perfect for faceless content creators and businesses looking to scale video content fast. First, just paste your script right here and click Proceed. That's it. Pictory will automatically create a full video based on your text. No editing headaches, no complicated timelines. Pictory even finds stock footage for you. See this? It automatically matches video clips to your script, so your video looks professional without you hunting for clips yourself. Now, if you don't want to record your own voice, no problem. Just pick one of Pictory's AI voices, click Preview Voice, and it reads your script for you.
It was 3:47 a.m. I stared at a blank Google Doc for hours. Ideas came.
Super realistic and perfect for faceless videos. Last cool thing, Pictory adds captions automatically. You can customize the style, size, and position right here. It makes your video look polished and keeps viewers engaged, even without sound. And that's how fast you can go from script to ready-to-post video with Pictory. Start with the free trial and see how fast your scripts turn into scroll-stopping videos. Let's move to the third one. Descript revolutionizes video and audio editing by allowing you to edit content like a text document. Delete words, remove filler sounds, and even clone your voice using its AI-powered tools. It's a game-changer for podcasters, video editors, and YouTube automation channels. First up, Descript lets you edit your video just like a text document. You simply highlight words to cut, move sentences around, or remove filler words. It's that easy. Next, let's talk about filler word removal. You know those little ums, uhs, and awkward pauses that sneak into recordings? Descript automatically detects them and removes them with one click. It's an easy way to tighten your voiceovers and sound more confident. Descript also has a powerful tool called Studio Sound. It removes background noise and sharpens your audio to sound like you recorded it in a professional studio, even if you didn't. And finally, you can record your screen and get an instant transcription of what you say.
This is a test clip to demonstrate audio recording.
It's perfect for tutorials, product walkthroughs, or creating faceless content with voiceovers and visuals. Descript saves hours of editing time and gives you full control, even if you're not a professional editor. You can test out voice cloning and cleanup tools with the free plan before diving deeper. If you're finding this useful and want to try any of these tools for yourself, I've added links to every platform right below this video. Check them out and start building your own automated content workflow. Now, let's move on to the next one. Veed.io is a powerful all-in-one online video editor with features like auto subtitles, text-to-speech, background removal, and video resizing for different platforms. It's perfect for creators who want quick, polished videos without needing complex software. Veed.io also offers a strong affiliate program, making it a great recommendation for monetization. Start by uploading your video. Then, with just one click, Veed.io can automatically add accurate subtitles to your video. It's perfect for boosting watch time, especially on social media where people watch with the sound off. Veed.io also has a background remover. If you've got a messy background or want a clean branded look, just upload your video and click Remove Background. Boom, breeze. Done in seconds. Next, you can use the text-to-speech tool to turn any script into natural voiceovers, instantly.
Editing videos used to be a chore.
Finally, Veed.io lets you resize and export your video perfectly for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any platform you want. It saves you tons of time and helps you get content out faster. Play around with the free version and see how fast your content workflow gets. Last on the list is OpusClip. This emerging tool uses AI to turn long-form videos into short, viral clips, perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. It quickly detects the most engaging moments, making it a huge time saver for content creators focused on short-form platforms. To get started, just upload your video. OpusClip scans the content and automatically pulls out the best highlights. No timeline scrubbing or second-guessing needed. The clips come fully optimized for social media. First, OpusClip adds punchy jump cuts to keep the pacing fast and engaging. Then it applies dynamic zooms to highlight faces or key moments and help hold viewers' attention. Finally, it generates accurate captions for every clip, so your content stands out even when viewed without sound. You can also customize the captions, add your branding, or tweak the timing if you want full control. Once you're happy, export your clips and post them directly. OpusClip makes repurposing your content for short-form platforms super simple. Test it out and turn your longer content into social-ready highlights instantly. These 5 AI tools can help you design, edit, and grow your online presence faster than ever in 2025. Links to all the tools are in the description below, many with free trials to get you started. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which tool you're excited to try first. This is the AI Hustle. Let's build smarter.